I was born with fire, no manual in my hand. Raised by broken nights, not a loving plan. I learned to stand alone before I learned to feel. Heart full of noise, nothing soft was real. They say I'm reckless, say I don't care, but they never walk these streets, never breathe this air. I don't speak in flowers, I speak in scars. I look rough in daylight, born under black stars. I'm the bad man, that's what they say. I'm the bad man, judged every day. I don't know love, yeah, I miss that part, but I care too much for a steel-wired heart. I wanna learn love, don't laugh it off. World taught me fists, not how to be soft. Every time I tried, the street laughed back. So I armored my soul, painted my heart black. I ain't evil, I'm just made this way. By cold nights, hard truths, bills to pay. If love's a language I never got taught, but I'm still here trying, whether you like it or not. I'm the bad man, yeah, wear that name. Society's clean hands throw all the blame. I don't know love, but I know the fight. I know how to stay standing in the dead of night. So call me broken, call me wrong. I survive where the weak don't last long. I'm a bad man, but hear me say, I care and I'm learning my own heart.